Years of foot pain led to this life-changing procedure. Have you ever noticed a large bump on the side of someone's big toe? That bump is called a bunion. It happens when the big toe slowly moves toward the other toes, forcing the joint at its base to stick out. Over time, this can make walking, standing, or even wearing shoes very painful. When wider shoes, special inserts, or other treatments no longer help, doctors may recommend bunion correction surgery. The surgery begins after the patient is given anesthesia, so they stay asleep and won't feel any pain during the procedure. The surgeon makes a small cut over the bunion to reach the bones and joint underneath. First, the swollen tissue around the joint is carefully removed. Then the surgeon smooths away the bony bump that is formed on the side of the foot. But removing the bump alone won't fix the problem. The real cause of the bunion is that the bones are out of their normal position. To correct this, the surgeon carefully cuts the first foot bone and gently moves it back into the proper position. This helps straighten the big toe and bring the joint back into alignment. Once the bone is in the correct place, it is held securely with small metal screws or a tiny metal plate. These implants keep the bone stable while it heals. The surgeon then checks that the big toe is straight and moves properly. After everything is in the correct position, the incision is closed with stitches, and the foot is wrapped in a protective bandage. In many cases, the patient also wears a special surgical shoe or walking boot to protect the foot during healing. Over the next several weeks, the bone slowly heals in its new position. As the foot recovers, the pain gradually improves and the big toe becomes straighter. Walking becomes more comfortable, and wearing shoes is much easier than before. For many people, bunion correction surgery not only improves the appearance of the foot, but also restores comfort and makes everyday activities much less painful. By moving the bones back into the correct position instead of simply removing the bump, this surgery helps patients walk with less pain and enjoy a more active life.